Hi guys, welcome to our channel Mom and Me Bombs. We are going to show you how to frost a cake. This cake is a combination of rainbow cake and gems cake. Here we are showing the icing part, and to make the base we'll be showing in the next video. This is a 6-layered cake. These are the ingredients needed. Bowl and the beater should be kept in the freezer for 30 minutes before we start whipping. Pour the chilled whipping cream into the cooled bowl and start whisking from low speed. Here I used 1 cup of whipping cream, and if you want to make a thicker layer of icing, you have to use more whipping cream. After 1 or 2 minutes of whisking, add powdered sugar, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and then whisk at medium speed. And then start increasing the speed from here. Beat until a stiff peak comes out like this. The whipped cream should be such that when you turn the bowl upside down, it should not pour out. This procedure actually takes at least 5 minutes. Cream will not get whipped if the bowl, beater and the cream is not chilled, and if we whip for lesser time. Now for making the colored whipped cream, take into separate bowls little whipped cream and add 1 or 2 drops of food colors as I am showing here. See, this is for the red one and the blue one, and mix it and keep it aside, and be sure that you keep it in the fridge. It has to be chilled before we use it for garnishing. In the same way, make the green, yellow and pink whipped creams. Next, take the demolded cake and remove the uneven top portion. You should do this for all the 3 layers. Now, divide each cake into 2 equal parts. For this, we can use a knife. Here, I am using a thread. I am just showing you how you can divide it into 2 parts equally, and I felt it's more easier. Just make a mark around the cake like this, and then using a thread, just hold it on the marked line and take it out like this. You will get it into equal parts. It's more easier. If you like this, please subscribe to our channel. In the same way, do for the other cakes also. As we are making a rainbow and gems cake, for the gems cake, the top and bottom layers should be a regular cake. In between layers, that is the 4 layers, we have to cut a hole for putting the gems. See, like this. Now I am going to show you how to use the piping bag and nozzles. For this, into a piping bag, put the chilled red whipped cream. Here we are showing you how to make the rainbow cake using 5 colors. Next, cut the edge like this. Now place the bottom layer cake on the turntable and spray or apply the sugar syrup on it, and then spread the whipped cream, the red whipped cream. We are so sorry we couldn't take a video of the portion where we sprayed the sugar syrup, but we'll be showing it in the next layer. See, the first layer will look like this. On top of that, place the second layer. To make the sugar syrup, into half cup of water, mix 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then spray the sugar syrup like this. As explained earlier, put into the piping bag the blue colored whipped cream and spread it on that layer. Rainbow cakes can be made in 2 ways. One is by making the cake itself into rainbow colors by adding food colors, or by using the whipping cream with the particular colors of the rainbow. We are just showing again how to do this layer. This cake can be made as a surprise, especially for kids, because the gems pour out of it. Like this, do for the green, pink and yellow layers. The center portion will look like this. Into this, we have to pour the gems. Instead of gems, you can also use M&M or Skittles. Isn't this looking really attractive? Now, place the last layer. Remember, we have to spray or apply sugar syrup on each layer before spreading the whipping cream. Coming to the last portion of the frosting, we are using the white whipped cream. As said earlier, use the piping bag and spread it like we are showing here. Cover the entire cake with the whipping cream. After doing this, refrigerate the cake for 20 minutes and then start the next procedure. The tools we are using here can be got from the market or online. See, here I am using a comb to make this design. Coming to the end portion of our cake, into a piping bag, pour 3 tablespoons of cold glaze and make a design of waves like this. For using the nozzles for making various designs, you can take a nozzle of any design and put it into a piping bag like this, and into that put some whipping cream and make designs on the bottom of the cake like the way we are doing here. For making the next design, we used the remaining colored whipped creams and did it like this. In the same way we did on the top part of the cake. Do you feel it's looking like a rainbow? Actually, it's not the rainbow colors, but we can use whatever color we want. If you like this, please share it. As you see here, we garnish the top of the cake with a flower which was made out of fondant. That can be available in the market. See, our cake. From inside of it, the gems are pouring out. It's really attractive, right? And it's looking really yummy. This cake can be used for wedding, birthdays and any other occasions. How do you feel by seeing this 6-layered rainbow gems cake? Please do comment, and if you have any doubts, please ask in the comment box. You can also use the cake like this. Even this is looking attractive. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe and click on the notification bell to get our upcoming videos.